We are stewards of the ocean, that's our livelihood, and we're very aware that we need to do everything that we can to take care of it. North Coast Seafoods is a Boston-based, family-owned seafood supplier and processor. We've been around since 1957. North Coast Seafoods has been committed to working with our local partners and partners around the globe to source the highest quality and sustainable fish and shellfish. We've always been a very sustainability-focused company, so when it comes to packaging, for the last 10 plus years, North Coast has been searching for a solution that would replace single-use, non-recyclable packaging, but it also needed to be able to perform so that our customers could continue to get the best quality seafood that was held at the proper temperature and that would arrive to them in a way that made sense for their businesses. Disruptive Packaging has allowed us to convert our single-use, non-recyclable packaging over to a reusable, 100% recyclable box that also allows us to add a bit more branding and personality. We've also partnered up locally with Pacific Packaging, who we work with on a daily basis to help with keeping a steady stream of disruptive packaging in the building and going out the door to our customers. Because the disruptive box is collapsible, it takes up a lot less space. So when you see that packaging packed on a pallet, it's much more efficient with space. We see its benefits all the way through the supply chain. Something that we've been hearing increasingly from our customers was that they want a more responsible solution for the way that they're receiving their seafood. So we're really excited and proud to be rolling this out to our customers and to share this solution with them so that they can pass it along to our shared end customer who's enjoying our seafood and can feel confident that it arrived to them in a sustainable way that is not taking more from the environment than it needs to.